The world's industries are changing. Factories and data centers are no longer just energy consumers. They are becoming producers of clean power. Cadmium telluride power-generating glass transforms ordinary industrial buildings into intelligent, self-sustaining energy systems. When integrated into new industrial buildings, cadmium telluride power glass turns every factory into a distributed power station. Electricity is generated right where it's consumed, cutting transmission losses, lowering peak grid demand, and creating a network of on-site micro-power plants across industrial zones. Cadmium telluride power glass replaces conventional roofing and facade materials, generating power throughout the day from natural and artificial light. It connects directly to inverters and storage systems, powering lighting, equipment, and ventilation, while serving as a backup source during grid interruptions. Power stability is critical for manufacturing. When power outages stop production, losses can be severe. With power glass, factories gain energy independence and security. Even during a grid failure, the system can continue generating electricity, allowing essential operations to keep running without interruption. The global AI boom is driving a massive wave of new data centers. These facilities demand constant, reliable, and clean energy. Power glass helps power them sustainably, producing on-site renewable electricity and serving as emergency backup to protect critical data and cooling systems. Unlike silicon panels, power glass performs under weak light, cloudy skies, and even rainy day, extending daily generation hours. It can also be installed on slopes and uneven terrain, eliminating the need for costly land leveling. Over a year, it produces more than 10% additional electricity compared with traditional solar panels. As a structural building material, power glass is fireproof, hail-resistant, and engineered for 50 years of service life. It eliminates hotspot risks and reduces maintenance by over 45%. Ensuring reliability for critical operations in both factories and data hubs. By generating power locally, power glass cuts energy bills, lowers transmission costs, and reduces carbon emissions. Each building becomes a sustainable asset, contributing to Canada's clean energy transition and ensuring long-term energy security for industry and technology. From factories to AI data centers, the future of energy is distributed, resilient, and intelligent. Angee Capital is bringing cadmium telluride power glass to Canada, powering the next generation of industry and innovation.